Hey, welcome back. So before I decided to put in the Bluetti Charger 1, what I'm doing right now is actually setting up. I'm gonna build a little platform in the back for the back seat, in the back of the truck, kind of to set the cooler or the refrigerator on while we're traveling, and that way I can kind of just keep it indoors and not have to worry about it being outside in the weather while we're heading up that way. I mean, I'm not too crazy worried about it, but I mean, it's better safe than sorry for right now. So this is kind of what I'm doing. Let's see, let me just turn this around here. So pretty much I got a piece of plywood, just kind of built it up a little bit in the back with some 2x4s and a 1x3. Hey, welcome back. So now I have gotten the base built. I'm now working on building a slider for the refrigerator, which I went with the Alpacool, you get it right. They did not send this to me, so I bought this on my own. So this is what we're looking at right now. So I got it built in, sitting in here. Just kind of sitting here, kind of gauging where I'm going to need to put the drawer slides, which is what I'm doing over here. Which these are the two pieces. So these are two side pieces. These are the bottom pieces. The braces are going to go across. It'll hold the thing up. I've pocket hold each one of these. So this is going to get a little bit better strength, and I'm going to glue it as well. And then I will put the drawer slides on, which I have right there. And we'll get that set in there and slowly but surely do that, get it all set up and working. And then I also got some carpet for it. So I'm going to carpet the whole thing so it looks clean and almost kind of the same colorish, somewhat, of the interior of the truck. So it kind of look a little bit better. I will show you a little bit more along the way, and we'll be back soon. All right, so I've got it built and installed. This is what we're looking at. So this is it. I'm gonna carpet it, but I'm gonna also put a handle here so that we can open it. But opens all the way out. Got a nice slow close, so I don't worry about it slamming shut. I mean, it's got once it's in, it'll work a little bit better. But so that's what it looks like so far. Give me a second. Let me put the. Put my Alpacool in there. Alright. So what I did is I also put a notch for the power. So here it is, with it in there. Opens up good. I'm gonna switch this because it switches sides. So I'll be able to open it from this side, be able to get in and not have to worry about it. And then it closes nice and good. So I'm gonna put a little brace in the back because I gotta put something like this in the back so it stays inside, so it doesn't move around too much. But as of right now, that's what we're looking at. On the other side, I'm gonna probably put some screw down a couple totes, small totes or something for gear and something. Other than that, it's coming out pretty nice. I'm enjoying it. I think tomorrow, once I figure out what I'm gonna do on that side, I'm gonna do that tonight, kind of draw out a couple different things, figure it out, and then I'll get that done tomorrow afternoon, and then I'll carpet the entire thing, and I will bring you back when I start doing that. Thanks everybody. See you soon. variables. Kind of clamp these down and hold it tight. There, let's do this side. Vehicle protected. What? Both sides, I do, in fact, figured out it does work really, really well. Not too bad. Works good. That's what we use at my job for putting stuff on pallets. It is sticky. Very, very sticky. So you'll be definitely washing your hands really, really well after this. Feels like 105. What's our humidity? Come on. 60% humidity. Yeah. It's hot. It sucks. But part of Texas living. South Texas. That is south. Very, very south. that a couple seconds, a couple minutes. All right, I'm back. So now I have the entire thing in the truck. The shelf, or not shelf, well, the whole shelf is made. The drawers painted, done. I kind of screwed up paint a little bit, but not too bad. So this is what we're looking at now. So got a handle on it, painted the inside all black, carpeted the front and the back. So it does open up well. Closes all the way in. So that's what it looks like. So it's not too bad. And let me go get the fridge and I'll put it in there for you. This is it with the fridge in. So get a little bit more weight to it, holds it tight, keeps it in spot. And then just closes all the way in. Doesn't go anywhere. Good handle on it. That's what it looks like inside the truck. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this little trip of my refrigerator slide and backseat tray to take over, give me a little bit more storage. I appreciate everybody taking a watch of this. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. It would really help me and help our channel. The next project, I'm not sure exactly what it's going to be. I'm trying to figure a few things out. We're kind of in the middle of the rooftop tent. A couple of projects for on side of my the bed rack. Trying to get a couple of those done. I got a couple of boxes that I got to mount to it and put in for like just like stuff when we're traveling, first aid and stuff like that. That way it's accessible outside the vehicle when we're camping at all times. Gonna build a trauma kit for inside the truck, and I'm gonna mount my fire extinguisher. And then there's probably a couple more little things here that I'll make sure that when we start going on them, they'll be recorded and done, so you guys see the truck along the way. It's slowly getting there. It's definitely a long process, but in the end, it will be a awesome truck, and I'm gonna have so much fun doing it. Thank you so much. From myself, Wolfpack Off-Roading, greatly appreciate your time. I know it's very precious, and I'm glad you spent it with me.